things first. What I would like you to do is go to the flaticon.com website where you can earn money by clicking on emojis. On their homepage, they have over 3 million vector icons, including a large number of emojis, all of which are free to download. You can see all of the icons as well as all of the pictures that you can download for free. When you scroll down the page, you'll see how you can use these to make a lot of money online, and you can earn money in 2 ways. I'll demonstrate the first technique right now, and at the end of the video, I'll reveal the second technique. For the first technique, go to the top of the website and click on Become a Contributor. You'll then be moved to a flat icon page where you can become a contributor by simply uploading and sharing emojis and being paid for it. The 3 simple steps are as follows. The first step is to create a free account. The second step is to share and upload your favorite icon packs, which should include emojis. The third step is basically our favorite because it allows us to get paid and earn money right away. To get started, click the register button and you'll be directed to this page where you can register for a free account. People from all over the world can transact on this website. On the registration page, simply type your username, email address, and password, then click the register button. Next, go to the page that says we're almost done and read all of the terms and conditions before clicking the green button to accept them. Once you've completed step 1, you could proceed to the second step, where you create your profile and earn money. The first step is to upload your profile pictures, which you can do by clicking the Browse button and then scrolling down to provide additional information about yourself. You can also add a username that will be visible publicly. Choose English as the language and attach any social media accounts you have. If you don't have any other social media accounts, leave them blank and move on to the next step. At this point, you're almost ready to start uploading different images in order to get a significant number of clicks and earnings. Before you do that, you should read the creator's manual so you'll be well informed about the conditions. When you click on the dashboard link, you'll be taken to a screen where you can see your username at the top, how many emojis and icon packs you previously contributed, and your daily profits. As you scroll down, remember that you're trying to collect a large number of free emojis that you can post on our website and receive profit from. So go back to flaticon.com and scroll down to the very bottom of the page to the link that'll take you to a pattern generator. From there, you can download free flat icon software that'll help you create a variety of designs and patterns using various emojis. To utilize it, just click on the Try It Now button, which will take you to the Flat Icon Pattern Generator software's homepage. This is a completely free feature that you can use on your computer or on your mobile phone wherever you are. You can now start searching for your preferred icons or emojis. Under the icon section, if you like a certain icon, simply click on it and it'll appear on the dashboard. You can then drag and drop it wherever you want, change its size, and even rotate it. There are numerous icons and designs to choose from. Another option is to go to the Packs button and look through all the different emojis and unique images that you can use in your design. After that, what we'll do now is return to emojis and click on them to select from a variety of emojis to use in your design. You can then repeat the process and also choose from a variety of backdrop colors from your public design under this icon in the background. For example, if you like this design, you can click on it and it'll appear on your canvas. It's very simple to do and doesn't require any technical editing skills. Once you've finished editing, all you have to do is click the Download Now button. Make sure you follow all of the instructions in this video, and after you've settled on a PNG format, I prefer to use 1000 for the power size and use 4000 to 1000 for the image sizes. Now that you have the format and size, all you need to do now is click the download button to save the patterns. Finally, you can post it and start making money. It's time to give you another additional tip. When you click on the search button and the random patterns button, the software will assist you in creating some random patterns that are typically quite unorganized. So if you want to see the next set of random designs, simply click on the random button again and it'll turn and display a variety of random patterns. If you like the random icon designs, download them to your device and return to the Flat Icon contributor. For a hassle-free design, click on the My Icons tab and upload them. Finally, the second technique to make money online using emojis is by going to Fiverr.com, which is a site with opportunities for graphic design, text, video, and animation. I want you to focus on graphic design. Click on it and find the newest icon design subcategory. There's a brand new category on Fiverr where it's your chance to make money online with no pressure. Simply click the icon design button to go to a page about pattern designs where you can see how other sellers from all over the world are already earning by generating new designs based on requests. Because this is a brand new category with limited competition, you can jump right in with my method. For example, if one seller prices an icon at $20, consider the second seller who asks for $60 or $40. Don't worry, because people here charge and offer prices differently. Take a look at these examples of what we can do with free flat icon software by developing new patterns and making money in the same way over and over again. For a service that involves picking numerous pattern designs, what's more surprising is that if you make good designs, you'll have almost no competition and receive hundreds of projects. See who the top sellers are and how much each project costs, and calculate what your prices will be by using free flat icon software. It's actually quite simple to do this by simply placing the icon in the right place and changing the background color. It's absolutely true that a large number of people use this method to earn money. And that's it for today's video.